In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice using AI in Filmora. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a clean voice sample and generate an AI version of your voice, all within Filmora's built-in tools. First, open Filmora on your computer. Give it a moment to load your last project or start a new one. Either is fine for this process. Before we dive in, make sure your microphone is connected and selected as your system's input, and try to be in a quiet space to get the best results. Once Filmora is open, head to the toolbox. You'll typically find it in the main workspace panel. Toolbox collects helpful utilities, and that's where the voice features live, so it's the quickest path to what we need. Inside the toolbox, select AI voice modeling. This is the feature that lets Filmora learn the unique characteristics of your voice. You'll be prompted to select a language. Choose the one that matches the script on your screen and the accent you plan to use. This helps the model handle pronunciation more accurately. Next, click on Modeling Voice. This opens the recording interface. When you're ready, tap the red button to start recording. You'll see a script on the screen. Read it smoothly and naturally, as if you're speaking to a friend. Keep your mouth a consistent distance from the mic, aim for a steady pace, and avoid bumping the desk or touching the cable while you talk. Watch your levels if you can. You want them clear and strong, but not peeking into the red. If you stumble, take a calm breath and continue. Consistency matters more than speed. When you finish reading the script, tap the red button again to stop the recording. Take a second to consider how it went. If you're not satisfied, maybe there was background noise or you rushed a line, you can record again. Don't hesitate to do another take. A clean sample will lead to a better sounding clone. Try to keep your tone consistent across takes so the model captures your natural voice accurately. After you're happy with your recording, click on Generate to generate your voice. Filmora will process your sample and build the AI model from it. This can take a moment, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll have an AI-generated version of your voice ready inside Filmora for use in your creative projects. That's the full process. Open Filmora, go to Toolbox, choose AI voice modeling, select your language, click Modeling Voice, record using the red button, stop, redo if needed, and then generate your voice.